Hola, soy Galaxy.
Anyway, we have a Shein haul here of fidgets. I have no idea what's inside. I saw like 2 things, but like I didn't see like anything else because like we had to rip it open to like get the address and stuff of it, and like I just saw 2 things. But yeah, let's open it. So first of all, you guys always get sneak peek. So, well, you get sneak peek first before I snip it. Okay. Well, okay, that's a lot of stuff that's coming out. Okay, so we're just gonna take that out. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay, what should we start with? This caught my eye. Yeah, okay. These are from Shein. I did not know that Shein sells this. Whoa, what is this? Like the middle is like squishy and like they're like tentacles. Huh? Oh, the tentacles. You need to subscribe or I will be on your nightmares tonight. Oh, this is pretty cool. The middle is squishy, so you can squish it. Okay, let's move on to something else though, because I'm excited. These have been something really popular lately. I've seen them all over, everywhere. Okay, this is the quiet side, I think. Okay, let's pop them back. It's rainbow and it's a bracelet. I don't know what you're meant to do after you get it on your wrist. Like, you pop it. And then how do you pop it back if it's on your wrist? And it will pop back. It's hard to pop, but it's actually really nice. And it's like, yeah, that doesn't work. So I can do this. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I don't know how long I've been wanting one of these. I don't know how long. Okay, ready? Sound test. That's loud. Pull it out, then pull it back in, but it's loud. I do not recommend to take these on like trips or anything, or on the airplane. Oh, or in a library. just like doing this in the library. So it's so loud. Okay, let's test the other one. Which one's louder? Okay, something caught my eye. Okay, which one's louder, guys? Which one's louder? No, it doesn't do anything. Hello, I need you to subscribe to the video. Okay, which one's louder? Was it this one? Okay, let's just keep going. Okay, I've actually been seeing these everywhere. These are the new fashion. So, like, you know those, like, flipped octopuses or, like, with, like the happy and smiley faces on it? Well, this is one of those, but, like, a dimple. So, like, you push these down. And then the middle one is an octopus. Push that in the middle. Ooh, okay, this is the loud side. And then push that in the middle. It's like a little octopus dimple. It's really nice. But let's move on to something else. Now, I like squishies, and squishies are really common in Australia. the thing is like, but you don't see like that the many good ones. But this one, that's beautiful. Actually, this looks like a food that we have. Let me quickly go get the food. See, like, look, you see like this thing here. These are technically these. They're really good. They're chocolate laces. Okay. It's really squishy. It's nice to squish. It smells like a normal squishy, but like it's like a little. It's a pink cinnamon roll with a strawberry and some other fruit with cream on top, and this powdered stuff. It's beautiful. This again. Oh, I'm like, what is it? Like, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. He's laying an egg, guys. He's laying an egg. So it is a chicken. Oh, now he has no yolk in his egg. Now he has yolk in his egg. Okay, this is addicting. Just like. Then we have the yolk. Okay, so let's move on and to this. Because it's, I think a swan or a chicken or a duck. I have no idea. Okay. Ooh, I sanded it. Oh, these are like the stretchy poos and the stretchy bananas, but like in a duck. It says to like, subscribe, and follow Instagram. That's what the chicken says. The chicken is deformed. Oh, I think it's a duck because of the foot. The duck is deformed. Yeah. No. Okay, this big thing. It looks like that thing, like, you know, in the movie, like, you know, like the Everest movie, how it's like, you know, the movie Everest, and like they eat like the cinnamon thingies. Well, I think they, oh, it's a Neato, but as the, like, I think it's like a pork roll. Yeah, a pork roll, and it's a Neato. Oh my god, look at that. Like that. That feels good because it's a Neato. And Neatos are like the stuff filled with like sand. I don't even know what they're filled with. They're filled with really good stuff though. And I can keep them in this little thing. Like, I have food in my room. It's a stress ball. It's adorable because it, like, now it has a case so it wouldn't get dirty, because I have a problem with my stress balls getting dirty, and it is so annoying because I don't like washing them. So yeah, now I have these. Okay, next thing catches my eye is this. Looks like another dimple thing, or, you know, dimple. Whoa, it looks like another bracelet thing. It's like you can use it as a tangle and a dimple. It's like a tangle dimple. I've never seen these anywhere. I didn't know these existed. Okay, it's easier to use on flat. Is it like a bracelet, or is it like a? I like to use it as a tangle and a pop it now. Okay, anyway. Okay, this is already kind of open. Oh, it's one of these puzzle things. Okay. It's one of these like puzzle things where like you mix it up and then you have to try and solve it again. Now I have to try and solve it like a Rubik's Cube. I can't wait. Can't wait. Okay. This has been catching my eye. Like, whoa. It's like a, I can't even describe it. It's like you can like wear it out in public and like no one will know that like you have like a sensory toy on you, and it's like lovely. Okay, I just got thrown these two, so must be good. Monkey noodles. Okay. Those are cool. I like them. Squiggle. Okay, Slinky time. I can tell it with a Slinky straight from the first look. first glance. Oh, I love the satisfying part of Slinkies. How like it's hard at the beginning. You have to like kind of crack it open. Okay. Ooh, Slinky test. How far can it go? We say, how far can it go? How far can it go? We say, how far can it go? How far can it go? We say, how far can it go? It can probably go further. Like I can feel it going further. It's just like, this is next. And this is basketball, but like, if you didn't know, I like to play volleyball, guys, even though I'm short. Okay, let's get it. First try, ready? If I get it first try, you have to give me 1,000,000 followers. If I get it first try, you have to like this video. If I get it first try, you have to subscribe. Well, I see I got it first try in all of them, so obviously I'm just really good. Yeah. Well, this has been an eye too. Ooh, it's another infinity cube, but it's Galaxy. There's stuff inside it. I've never seen that before. Whoa. Ooh, I like it. Okay. Last 3 things. This is Twister, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, it's soft. It's a donut. Good night. It's nice and soft. Okay, what about this? Oh, it's one of those wacky tracks. It's one of those puzzle snakes, but like it's in like a heart form. That's adorbs. Adorbs, yes. I like that. This is way better. Now, this is Twister. I'm pretty sure it is at least. We'll do this in another video where Laura and Katia will come over. The thing is, I've always wanted to play Twister. I haven't played it in like so long. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Can I see my new outro song? Yeah. Thank you for watching my Shein haul. This was so fun to do. I love all this stuff and I'm so grateful for it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow my Instagram for more posts and sneak peeks and photo shoots and more. And yeah. Anyway, bye.